How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. Welcome to my video class. I am going to enter my class. I think all of you are ready and check out your textbook. Here is the class. What you can see in the picture and what I am going to suppose to read today. Can you see what is the picture? It is a picture of a tree and it is a common picture of a tree. Especially I draw the picture to understand you the lower part of the tree. There are many roots and they are related to the main part of the body and they hold the soil and help the tree to stand straight. Okay, in that sense, I want to ask you a question. Do human beings have roots like the trees? What will be the question? The question answer will be yes, but unlike the roots of the trees, they lies in our mind and make a bond between us and members of the family, friends, in-laws, neighbors, even between us and the land where we born and where we grew up. In that sense, we can say our families, our land of birth, relatives, our culture, traditions, or surroundings are our roots. Okay, can you guess what will be the lesson today's? Okay, today's lesson is roots. Roots means শিকড় বা আমরা এটাকে নারীর টানও বলতে পারি। এটা ইউনিট 12 লেসন 1 মাই রুটস। ওকে, লার্নিং আউটকামস। What is the learning outcomes? After we have studied the unit, we will be able to participate in conversations and debates. Number 2, exchange personal information. Exchange means adan pradan. Number 3, narrate incidents. বর্ণনা করতে পারবো and events ঘটনা বর্ণনা করতে পারবো in a logical sequence যৌক্তিকভাবে. Number 4, present own ideas. নিজের আমাদের ধারণা আমরা উপস্থাপন করতে পারবো. Give and ask for information. সেগুলো দিতে পারবো এবং সেগুলো জিজ্ঞাসা করতে পারবো তথ্য দিয়ে. Write letters to newspapers. নিউজপেপারে আমরা লিখতে পারবো. Doors complain অভিযোগ করতে পারবো. And next last point, present information in a chart. Present information in a chart আমরা এখানে চার্টের মধ্যে তথ্যাদি উপস্থাপন করতে পারবো. ওকে, নাও নেক্সট, before starting our topic, let us know some new words to understand the topic clearly. I have written word and meaning, English meaning, synonym and antonym. First word, caption. What is the meaning of caption? You know, caption means শিরোনাম. And what parts of speech it is? You know, it is noun. And English meaning, words that are printed underneath a picture. And synonym, description, explanation. Next, desire. Desire means akankha and it is noun. And in English meaning, a strong feeling of wanting to have something. And synonym, wish or aspiration. Thirdly, entity. It is also noun and its meaning is, Bangla meaning is অস্তিত্ব, স্বতন্ত্র সত্তা. And English meaning, we can say a thing with distinct and independent existence. And synonym also existence. Number 4, invisible. ইনভিজিবল মিনস অদৃশ্য, যা দেখা যায় না। অ্যান্ড হোয়াট পার্টস অফ স্পিচ ইউ ক্যান সে? Can you say? Yes, it is adjective and its English meaning unable to be seen, যা দেখা যায় না। অ্যান্ড সিনোনাইম হচ্ছে আনসিন, অ্যান্টোনাইম ভিজিবল, যা দেখা যায়। ফেস্টিভ্যাল, ফেস্টিভ্যাল মিনস পর্ব বা উৎসব, অ্যান্ড ইট ইজ নাউন। ইটস English meaning is a day or period of celebration, and synonym also celebration. Identity, identity means পরিচয় বা স্বরূপ। and what parts of speech it is? Can you guess? Yes, it is noun, and the meaning is the fact of being, who or what a person or thing is. Synonym individuality. And the last word neighbor. Neighbor means প্রতিবেশী, and what parts of speech it is? It is also noun, and its English meaning a person who lives next to you or near you. Antonym a stranger. Okay. Okay, look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? Huh? This is a common picture of Bangladesh before Eid. This is a picture of a train, and there are so many passengers. They are trying to hold, and they are trying to go their home before Eid, and there is no space to stand, and for this they are hanging. And at a situation, a man is fell up into the soil, into the land. Okay, now speaking tasks. Look at the pictures and caption below. What is the meaning of caption? I have already told you. Caption means শিরোনাম. How do you feel looking at the photo? Why do you think people take such risks to go home to celebrate it? এখন শিরোনামের কথা বললাম। শিরোনাম এখানে একটা দেয়া আছে জীবন বাজি। এখন এখানে জীবন বাজি রেখে মানুষ কি করছে? তারা ঘরমুখী হচ্ছে, ঈদ করতে বাড়তে যাচ্ছে। এখানে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে যেভাবেই হোক ঈদে বাড়ি যেতে হবে, ঈদ করতে হবে। তাই জীবনের ঝুঁকি নিয়ে ট্রেনে তারা ঝুঁকে পড়ছে। চলন্ত ট্রেন থেকে পড়ে গিয়ে অল্পের জন্য শেষ রক্ষা, সামান্য আহত হলেও এই যাত্রায় বেঁচে যাওয়া। ছবিটি কমলাপুর রেল স্টেশন থেকে নেয়া। তাহলে তোমরা বুঝতে পারছো এখন ছবিটি সম্পর্কে। ওকে, আমরা এখন পরবর্তী সেশনে যাব। ওকে, read the following text. Eid is the main religious festival of the Muslims in Bangladesh. Eid means happiness. Everyone wants to share this happiness with near and dear ones. Before starting the topics, I want to share you that we are going to important topics that is very interesting, and you know that Eid is a very interesting word. Whenever we utter this word, our heart is filled with joy and happiness. Okay, so you can see that Eid means happiness. Everyone wants to share this happiness with near and dear ones. So most of the people who are living outside their homes for different reasons have a strong desire to get back home during the Eid vacation. As a result, there is a mad rush to board buses, trains or launches for going home. This often causes transport accidents that take away many lives. However, this cannot stop people from going home to meet their family, in-laws or friends. What makes people rush for their homes in spite of serious hazards? This is nothing but people's desire to return to the roots. It is our roots that develop our identity, making us what we are. When we lose that bond, we become rootless. Human beings who do not have any roots are a non-entity. In other words, they do not have an identity. They don't know where they are from and or where they are heading heading to. This often makes them feel empty and lost. Now, the next task of you, the MCQ practice. Before MCQ practice, you have to read the text seriously 3 times. Then it will help you to solve the MCQ easily. Now, choose the best answer from the alternatives. Number A, what does the phrase a strong desire mean in line 3? অপশন এখানে 4টা দেয়া আছে। 1 number option willing, 2 wish, 3 strong wish to have something, and 4 opinion. And out of these alternatives we have to choose the right answer, and in this case the right answer is a strong wish to have something. Okay. Number B, what is the meaning of Eid? ঈদের অর্থ কি বলতে আমরা কি বুঝি? Number 1, a feeling of joy, enrichment. Number 3, enhancement. Number 4, enchantment. And out of these alternatives, the right answer is a feeling of joy. Number C, the roots of human beings lie in that. Where? Home, society, country, minds. What will be the answer? Try. And the answer is minds. Number D, the rootless are শিকড়বিহীন এর কথা বলা হচ্ছে এখানে। নাম্বার 1 অপশন entity, নাম্বার 2 identical, নাম্বার 3 non entity, নাম্বার 4 relatives. Out of these alternatives we have to choose the correct answer, and there is number 3 option is correct, non entity. And last of the number E, what is pool of roots? There are also 4 alternatives. Number 1, affection for roots. Number 2, attraction of roots. Number 3, assistance of roots. Number 4, addiction to roots. Can you guess what will be the answer? Try. Okay, the answer will be attraction of roots. And next, okay, we have discussed unit 12 lesson 1, you know that. And about this lesson and finishing line, we have practiced MCQ, and it will be practiced by you, and it will be your homework. I have written 4 questions. Answer the following question. This is your home task. You know that this is scene passage, and MCQ and question answer are the main part of the scene passage. We have already discussed MCQ, and that there are some questions. It will be your homework. Okay, write down your SW on your khata. I have written A, what happens to transport during Eid vacation. তোমরা জানো যে ঈদের সময় যানবাহনগুলোর কী অবস্থা হয়, কী ঘটে এই ঈদ উপলক্ষে, ঈদকে কেন্দ্র করে সেই বিষয়টা আমরা আলোচনা করছি, তোমরা সেটা দেখবা। তারপরে বি, what makes people rush for their homes in spite of serious hazards. এখানে বলছে যে what makes people rush there for them, মানুষরা কেন আসলে তাদের বাড়িতে যাওয়ার জন্য ব্যস্ত হয়ে পড়ে, যে এত ঝুঁকি নেওয়ার পরও তারা কেন বাড়িতে যাওয়ার জন্য চেষ্টা করে, সেই বিষয়টা এখানে বলতে হবে। নাম্বার সি, হোয়াট আর দ্য রুটস অফ হিউম্যান বিংস, হিউম্যান বিংসের রুটগুলো কী। অ্যান্ড লাস্ট নাম্বার, হাউ ডু হিউম্যান বিংস বিকাম রুটলেস। এই number 4, 4 question you have to write on your khata, and is there any problem then you will ask me next class.